With these nightly builds of OpenSCAD, I'm going to start hopefully showing the release version that I have. I'm currently using October 2nd, 2024. Before I start the video, I just want to show something that I found out that I thought was kind of neat. If you right click in the preview area, you can select an object and it'll highlight your code on the left. I thought it was pretty neat. I didn't even know it existed. But yeah, today I'd like to try to use hotkeys or keyboard shortcuts to insert like the code templates that I had made in the last video. So basically what I want to do is figure out how to do an insert template and then select one based on from this little drop down. To do that, we're going to use a program called, I believe it's pronounced Clavier Plus. And I always thought hopefully they'll eventually add keyboard shortcuts to OpenSCAD, but I realized that there's third-party programs that can do it. As far as I know, Clavier is just for Windows. So I guess if you're on Linux or Mac, you might have to find some other program. All right, let's. I'm gonna probably just go through one example. So what you do is you hit the plus, go to write text. All right, I'm going to be doing inserting translate, so I think Control T is open. And I suppose I'll go ahead and check but distinguish between left and right keys, and then hit OK. And then if you want to, you can enable for or set which programs use this. Oh, I won't let me select. You gotta hold it. Oh, maybe you gotta hold it. There we go. Hold that little target. And then since we want to use Alt Insert, we need to start there. So we'll hit Alt Insert, or no wait, we need to add keystroke, Alt Insert. Okay. And then from there, let's see, so it's already at least highlighted the first one, so we need to go down 1, 2, 3. Let's add another keystroke, hit down. And we can just copy this. Let's do that 2 more times. Let's see, Alt Insert. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. All right, so then we need to hit enter. All right. I think we need to hit OK. Okay. And we should just be able to hit Control T and insert our code. And this is the same as just going to here, going down to translate. And I showed these how to set up in the last video that I did. I think this is pretty handy. I'm gonna go through and adjust all my templates eventually and set up the hotkeys. Some of them I'm not sure of what I'm gonna do, like Control S, I usually save a lot. So I don't know what I'm gonna use for that, for scale. I'll have to think of what keys I want to use. It's probably just be me having to use them and then figure out what my brain automatically goes to. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.